Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about successful habits, millionaire successful habits. Why? Truthfully, the reason we're going to talk about it is I was very curious, so I started reading articles after articles about all these different habits that millionaires have. Why? Because I want to be successful. I am really pushing myself to achieve my goals, and I just want to see what the next person doing. Maybe he's doing something I'm not. Maybe who knows. So it led me down a rabbit hole of habits, which in return I would have to do a video on, of course, because I picked out the top 4 habits that of all the habits I read that I think are some of the best ones to have. And pretty much all the successful people I personally know, they have these. So it's just like, yeah, these are the ones that I think are the best habits to have. I'm going to give you guys 4 of them today, so let's hop right into the video. Alright guys, so before we get into the video about these millionaire habits, would you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking this video? By you liking this video, it could push my videos out to a broader audience. In return, can help me get more subscribers. In return, can help me love you guys even more. Appreciate you. You the man. You rock. But real talk, guys, I do appreciate that. So please consider subscribing and most definitely liking this video. Now, we are talking habits. Okay. As I stated, I read a lot of habits within the past couple of days. And to me, these 4 are ones that are pretty much the pillars in which leads to success. All right. The number one, of course, would be setting goals and visualizing. Right. I can 100% back this. And the reason for that being, every successful person I know, they set goals either quarterly, monthly, or yearly. They set goals and they work every day to achieve said goals. I can 100% agree with this method, only for the fact is I do it myself. I try to set yearly goals, of course, and without a doubt, I set small goals within my yearly goals to make sure I achieve all my goals throughout the year. Like, I don't want the whole year to go by and I achieve none of my goals. That's a waste of a year to me. I try to achieve all goals set out at the beginning of the year. So, with that being said, I think this method in general is very, very positive because it gives you something to aim towards. It gives you something to work towards. And my dad always say, if you're doing something and you don't know what you're doing, you're wasting your time. So there's no way for you to go out and try to achieve these things if you don't have a finish line which you're trying to reach, pretty much. All right, that's number 1. Habit number 2 of millionaires that I see that I think is a very high pinnacle would be the habit where they stay busy. Why do I think this is a great habit to have? I think this is a great habit to have for the simple fact that when you see a person who, I'm not gonna say just ultra rich, but you know, say like any person who's striving to be rich or just striving to get somewhere, it seems like they always have something going on, right? It's like they always are busy. And I didn't understand it at first, but the more I get more to my finances, it's just like I get it. For me personally, I don't want to waste time because I can't get back time. So if it's 24 hours in a day, I want to make sure that those 24 hours I'm utilizing them to the fullest extent. I hate taking naps. That's trash. I want to utilize all my time, all of it. Whether it's bettering myself, whether it's completing the task, looking at my to-do list, hanging out with family, something needs to be done. I don't like to be not doing something. Even if I'm just chilling for the day, watching anime, I'm always multitasking. I'm going to watch anime and doing something. So that's just me. It's just staying busy really helps. No, it just helps in general, really. Just staying busy gives you less time to let your mind wander. Because I know a lot of people, they just go off into like an infinite daydream, or they'll just be sitting there one day and they'll space out, and they just let their mind wander to the point where time gets the best of them, and they end up losing a lot of their day. I try to avoid that by keeping myself busy. Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's do this. I feel if I stay busy, it betters my chance to get everything I want to get done that day done. That's me. The third habit that a millionaire has, a successful person has, is they manage their finances. Now, what I mean by this, they set budgets. They track their finances. They look for ways to increase their income streams. They do all this. They do it. They think about it. They breathe it. They sleep it. This is what they do. Managing their money. They want to make sure they get the utmost out of every single dollar. They don't want any dollar to be wasted. They want it to go towards something good. They want to optimize the tax brackets. They want to optimize the deductions. They want to make sure, they have this set of money going to this set task, no more, no less. That there is what allowed them to get to the status of millionaire, because they micromanage their money. And I think this is a very good habit to have, because a lot of people just randomly spend money. It'd be like $2 here, $3 there, $5 here, and they do it very just randomly, just not really think about it. And over the course of 2 weeks, a pay period or whatever, from check to check, you spent so many $2 and $3 and $4 and $5 just sporadically that it now adds up, and you're wondering where $200-300 just disappeared from. It was the sporadic spending. If you micromanage your money the way these people do, you wouldn't have that. And when I started personally micromanaging my money, writing everything down, this dedicated $100 is this gas. This dedicated $100 is for food. I really started to see all of my money. Like, you don't think you have a lot of money, even for people who can make minimum wage. You don't think you have a lot of money until you actually micromanage your money, and then you realize, I'm losing a lot of money. How am I doing it? And once you write it down, you figure out, it's like, oh, wow, the little chip juice I bought at the gas station when I stopped to get gas. Oh, it was the USB cord I just ran and bought at the gas station just because. Those things really make a damper into your money, and that's why this manage your money habit can change the game for you. I truly believe that. Alright guys, so the fourth habit, and I think the most important habit that you can develop, is from millionaires, successful people, entrepreneurs. They never give up. I think this is a habit that you can learn and do, and it can change your life. Because a lot of people try something, and of course you can't always succeed. You do fail, but in failing you learn lessons. For instance, I used to play Super Smash Brothers competitively, and I lost a lot. When I say I lost a lot, I lost a lot. But every loss, I would stop, ask the guy next to me, hey, what made me do so bad? Where were you able to find the cracks in my defense? And they would tell me what I was doing good, what I was doing wrong. Now, since I asked what I'm doing right, what I was doing wrong, and they were able to elaborate. That allowed me to go and work on those. The ones I did good at, try to polish it. And the ones I did bad at, and I think to work on, I did more research on. I tried harder. I kept going. And that's the factor of never giving up that makes, I think, this to be the greatest habit that you can possibly get. Because just by not giving up, you allow yourself to fail and then learn and then try again. And that fail, learn, try again mentality can really throw you before. When I say propel you forward, it's like crazy. Not giving up is something that I think a lot of people should learn, because a lot of people give up. A lot of people try something, and if they don't get those instantaneously results, screw it. Working out, YouTube, jobs, everything. People give up so quick nowadays, it will blow your mind. When I feel like there's a lot of great people out there, and a lot of people have so much talent, it's just they don't get their time. They don't get their talent time enough to really blossom. It's just like, oh, tried it, didn't work. Told you I wasn't good at it. I'm out of here. It's just like, bro, you good. Just let it marinate some. Like give it time to really grow. They don't give it to them, and they end up giving up, and then you're stuck with the what if. Nobody wants to get stuck with the what if. But these 4 habits are the habits that I think can really change the game. Alright guys, so these are the 4 habits that I think can really make the pillar to success, whether it be just being a successful person or pushing your eyes and trying to become that millionaire. That would be pretty much staying busy, managing your money, setting goals, and never giving up. These 4 habits are to me now, the pillars to success. If you can get these 4 down, I really feel like you can go far in whatever field or craft that you choose to pursue, because these 4 are amazing and they can really change your life. If you just sit down, do a little research on them, I'm pretty sure you consider the same. So I'll leave a couple articles that I read about these 4 habits in the description. Check them out. Tell me what you think. What do you think of some of the habits that you should learn or develop to be successful or to become a millionaire? Alright guys, so that's the end for this video. Most definitely like you guys if you watched it all the way through. Really appreciate it. You guys rock. Like I said, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like this video. I appreciate it. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.